Hey guys, Ryan here from Cryptoverse, and today I'd like to share with you my Copy Pro Trader results for the last 1 month. Now, if you haven't watched my previous videos on Copy Pro Traders, what is it? Copy Pro Traders, or CPT as I call it, is a auto trading platform for professional traders and non-professional crypto traders. What's the benefit of this platform? You do not give your cryptocurrency to another company or to another trader's account. You deposit your money, your crypto in your own exchange, and you select a professional trader. And when those traders do trades for themselves, their trades are automatically applied to your exchange. Now, why is it important that you always maintain control of your cryptocurrency? This is very important. A lot of people come to me and they ask me how to trade in cryptocurrency, which coins to buy. And they say, can you manage my account because I really don't have time. I understand, people are really busy today, especially with work from home. But the moment you give your cryptocurrency to another company or another person, it's quite probable that company can run away with your money because this is an extremely powerful space and it's unregulated. So I understand you don't have time, but take out some time to understand what Copy Pro Traders is, because here you will always maintain complete control of your funds. I learned it the hard way. In March 2021, I gave my crypto to another trading company. I deposited it in their account, and initially they were giving me profits, and literally after 1 month, they ran away with my money. I lost more than 10,000 US dollars worth of cryptocurrency. So the first rule of cryptocurrency trading: never give your money to someone else or to another company. If you don't have time, find a program where you can always maintain control of your money, but never give your crypto to another company. This is an extremely powerful space to make money, and you can lose money if you're not careful. So be wise and do things the right way. So let me share with you my platform and show you the results. So Copy Pro Traders. Now, whatever you see on this page of Copy Pro Traders is only a mirror. Whatever numbers you see here are basically is the reflection of trades that are happening in my Kraken Exchange. So CPT is only a mirror. That's it. So what I've done is I've copied all these numbers onto an Excel sheet so we can understand it a little more easier. Right. So I'll go to my Excel sheet. I've just copy pasted everything onto the sheet here. What we want to look at is the last column, which is showing me my profit for each trade in dollars. So the latest trade here was on the 17th of September for a cryptocurrency called Polka Dot. When the trade was closed, I made that trader made me a profit of $5.12. So from the 17th of September, I'll scroll right down, and trading started on the 1st of August, 7th of August. You see, I made a profit of $846. I deposited $2,300, and on that I made $846 profit. Now let's do some comparison. I'll just show you numbers and you decide whether these numbers would benefit you. $2,300 is 1,77,000 rupees. So the money is sitting in my bank account. What should I do? I put it into my crypto exchange and I subscribe to Copy Pro Traders. Now, if my money is sitting in my bank account, after 12 months, I get an interest of 9,000 rupees or $116. If I'm looking at the Indian rate of interest. How do I know that? I went to a fixed deposit calculator, punched in the numbers, 1,77,000 rupees at 5% interest per year. I'm making 9,000 rupees. But I put my money in Copy Pro Traders, and in 30 days, I made a profit of 65,000 Indian rupees or $846. That is 36% profit. Now you decide what you want to do. You want to keep your money in the bank for that 5% interest after 12 months. In 30 days, I've already made 36% profit. That is 65,000 rupees. So you decide what you want to do. I prefer keeping my money in my exchange and let professional traders through CPT do my trading, where I maintain complete control of my funds. I don't have to sit at my computer monitoring trades. I just set up the system and auto trading begins. Hey guys, I also must mention that I pay a subscription fee of $100 a month. It may seem like a lot. Compared to what I'm earning, it is absolutely nothing. I'm paying money. I'm getting a 36% in profit every month. Plus, it's completely hands-free, no heavy lifting for me. I just linked CPT to my Kraken account and left it as it is. The professional traders choose the coins, they sell it, they do everything. And if I recommend this channel to anyone, I earn Bitcoin as a referral reward. I don't have to refer this to anyone. I don't have to. I'm already making 36%. That's an average every month. But if people get into this program through my affiliate link, I earn $21 in the form of Bitcoin repeatedly, and from there referrals too. But that's your choice. If you don't want to share this program with someone else, don't share it. It's okay. You'll make money off your own money. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this information. And if you feel you would like, if you don't have time but want to trade safely, you will find my contact details in the description below. All right, hope this helps you.